Are you ready for this one?
From Grandma and Grandpa.
Grandma, it could be anything.
What do you think?
You think you want to open it, don't you? Yes, I can help. Okay. Look at these nice teddies too. Teddies.
Yeah.
Whoopsie. I wrecked it.
Oh no, the paper ripped.
Big Elmo's box of fun potty time.
Oh yeah.
Elmo loves learning about the potty training.
Cool.
You get reward stickers for when you potty in the potty. You get this
Yay.
CD to learn how to potty. And potties. Look at your reward stickers. They're rolls of toilet paper.
Yay. You're going to be pooping in the pot in no time.
Hurrah. And box of fun with Elmo loves to learn about potty.
Awesome.
Potty crayons for potty time.
Yay.
Let's get you on that as soon as possible, the pot.
Cool.
Isn't it got the potty time?
Woohoo.
Emma, I have potties. Crayons and everything. Do
You
love
want that
the compact
CD?
disc? My goodness. Oh, slow down. You wreck everything. You can see what's inside the potty box of potty times.
That's pretty cool.
Totally. Good. Oh, you get the potty activity book.
Wow.
Lots of potty stickers for
Holy
potty.
cow.
And
Cool.
here's your achievement.
Your first report card.
Almost potty time. I told the grown-up that I had to go. I used the potty. I used the right amount of toilet paper. I flushed the toilet and I washed my hands.
Yay.
Named Bruce. And we'll give you a little sticker every time you do one of those things, yeah?
That's awesome.
Good for Bee Patrie.
Thank you, Grandma and Grandpa.
Thank you, Grandma and Grandpa. Potty. Okay. No.